Hello class, today we are going to read the story The Lion and the Mouse, retold by Harriet Rosenblum and illustrated by Lauren Gallegos. The Lion and the Mouse is another fable. The Lion and the Mouse is very similar to the fable that we read before called The Bear and the Bee. Let's read on to hear the story, The Lion and the Mouse. Lion lay asleep on a sunny afternoon. Mouse was hurrying home through the tall grass. He stumbled upon Lion and woke him. Lion trapped Mouse under his huge paw. He lifted her by the tail. He swung her slowly through the air. An afternoon snack, Lion said. Delightful. Mouse felt his hot breath on her fur. She was so scared. Her voice was just a squeak. Spare me, she cried, and one day I will help you in return. Lion laughed loudly. Mouse trembled. You help me? He laughed. You are a funny little one. Still, he let Mouse go. He soon dozed off again under the hot sun. Mouse dashed home. She was happy to be alive. The day came when Lion stepped into a hunter's net. He was trapped. Lion struggled. The net pulled tighter. The lion roared in anger. Then he roared in fear. His loud roar carried in every direction. Many animals heard him. None came to help. None dared to free Lion, except Mouse. Mouse ran to Lion's side. She found him in the trap. Mouse chewed away the net with her sharp little teeth. Before long, Lion was free. Lion shook off the ropes. He looked deep into Mouse's eyes. Thank you, little friend, Lion said. You are most welcome, big friend, Mouse replied. What you give is what you get. Boys and girls, that is the end of the story. If you notice in the text, we had some bold words, and here is the glossary if you want to know the meaning of any of the words that we read. All right, when this video is over, go back to your Google Slides and finish the rest of your lesson.